subscribe to the channel.
Okay, so we have
Our first ever
21
chickens. That
20 something chickens.
yes, we have
We got like 21 or
20
22.
something chickens, maybe
Evan counted 7 to start with.
17.
17.
Okay,
And
so-
the cashier rang us up for 14.
But I
So,
think we have
yeah.
like 22.
So we'll count. First
Okay.
thing we're going to do is we're going to open the box.
Mama, can I get in there? Can I get in there to
No, I think. Oh, look how cute they are.
Oh, you pet them.
Oh, I think they're cool. They're all curled up in a ball. Don't pet them. These are
Okay.
not pets. I don't know if I can show this to the camera.
Do it like by the feeder. They're in there.
They're so cute. Ew, someone pooped. Yep. Okay, so
You gonna hand it to us?
I think they're getting cold, so we want to make sure.
Mama, can I get in there so I can lightly put them in?
Yeah. Because he's not going to be able to reach in like you are.
Yeah.
Just stay right there.
Okay, so we're going to try and limit the number of touching and holding because they're not pets and we don't want them to get sick.
Yep.
Evan, you're pouring the water out.
So Evan, it doesn't need to move.
Okay.
And now it is completely still.
Okay. Stop. It's not completely still.
This is for the chicken.
First thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna hand it to you. I'm gonna look at them, make sure they look good,
Okay.
and you're gonna gently just touch their beak into the water so they know where the water's at. Okay? And these are unsexed, so we don't know which one's boys or girls.
Yep.
Oh, little chippies. Why? Don't be scared.
Got a boy or girl?
I don't know. Go ahead and put it in. No, Evan, you wait. I'll give you the next one.
Okay.
You duck his little beak in the water gently.
So that's one.
That's one.
That's Gerald.
No, we're not moving them.
This one cute.
No, this is chicken nugget, which is good. No, this is dead meat. Dead meat.
All right, Evan, gently.
This is
It's
Mamma
so-
Mia.
Mom, you can't get their face in because all the water's spilling out.
This is Mamma Mia.
Nice to Evan. You have to move this.
Mamma Mia and dead meat.
These are Cornish Rock.
Cornish Rocks. Cross.
Cornish.
No, these are not Cornish cross. They're Cornish Rock, according to the
Really?
So the wings are good. The butt. A very common issue with little chickens is something called, it's called like poop butt, or
Poopophobia.
no, it's where the poop gets stuck in their butt. Oh, that's a good one, Evan. Here you go.
Chicken nation.
It's gonna take us all day.
These guys are so cute.
Mama,
Show them where the heat is. I don't know why. I
Mama,
said
look
that.
it. He's just chilling in my hand.
Go.
Mama, look at you just chilling in my hand like.
He just picked
They
me.
can't fly yet, so it's very limited options. This one's got poop on his foot. Hello, chickens. Welcome home. Don't you dare jump. It's not a. Oh,
So-
good. See,
So, Mamma Mia. This is Mamma Mia dead meat. Chicken nuggets. Meaty
He's just
butt.
playing with them.
And big boy.
Evan. Looks like they got some good little booties. Go.
Look at your nose.
Set them in there for me. All right, this one's done. How many is that?
That's. Okay, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6,
8.
7, 8.
That's 8. Okay,
Two
make
more
sure you
boxes.
remember 8.
2 more boxes, so 8. So,
Well,
Pecking at me.
probably
You good?
Oh, look, they're already eating.
Oh, yeah. So
You can't fry it, it's just a baby.
That one.
So,
Zippy, can you calm down. That one's going crazy.
Do you want to put that one in front of the cameras to see? They're all so cute, all cuddled up.
Look at your little chickens.
And they seem to be kind of running around, like they don't seem like they're terribly cold.
They're pretty warm when you hold them.
Well, when you're Evan,
Dip your nose in there. Got this.
gentle. I know it seems kind of mean, but they gotta know where their water's at. Guys? And since they have eaten so we got them from TSC, Tractor Supply Company. And,
Mom, what's going on with my foot?
maybe he thinks that you're the mommy bird. They did have the same setup at the store, so they might already understand how the waterer works and the feeder works.
Yeah, so.
Oh, yep, his pooper works. Hers.
Just a you?
Or it.
No, it just pooped into the box as I picked him up.
It.
It. He, she, they. Hello, chicken.
Hello, chickens.
He's like, no.
Alright, now how many are there?
So, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
15
we're
so
on the
far.
last box.
Okay.
There should be
They're
6 or
kind of
something in here.
with my foot. They're kind of.
You're right.
So we had
Be
1,
very
2,
careful
3, 4,
moving
5,
around
6,
in
7, 8, 9, 10,
You don't want to
11,
smush
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is
Can you
18.
dip your little face in there, bud?
This is 18.
Oh, oh.
Just put that.
19.
Trendy, will you go check on the camera, make sure it's still recording?
That's 19.
Oh, I think we got company.
20.
This one looks bigger than that.
He's like scared.
Oh, Trinity!
Mom, it just pecked at me.
It's a baby!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
That's
where the water is.
No, you go into the door. Oh, chicken.
Mama, look at
Last
he loves
one.
me. So he loves me.
He loves you? Okay, well, we're not going to be petting and playing with them too much, okay? Or at all. These are going to be, these are meat chickens.
So 1,
I can't reach
2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Careful between your legs. Don't touch them. Don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Oh.
23, 23, 23,
Have you got-
23, I was close.
Okay, you do have enough room for
23.
all of them.
So
Evan, you're going to smush them.
I think it's time for you to get
they're
out of here.
pecking me. They're pecking my foot.
That's because they think you're
I
food.
wasn't sure if I noticed this bulb isn't red like some of the other ones I've seen, but it seems to be getting off. Good
Okay,
amount of heat.
we brought
We gotta-
ours.
yeah.
That one's there.
I'm tempted to put another one up, but I'm not sure. They don't
You're
seem
gonna
like
smush
they're
them.
cold. They're running around.
Yeah. You'd want to keep an eye on them to make sure they're doing okay.
Cameras. Cameras.
Place to plug this in.
Right here. So we got this.
You're gonna want to have it evenly spaced, kind of thing.
I can't
Now, did you say these were meat girls or
Yep.
I don't know.
Meat.
We don't know if they're going to go.
Chickens.
They're
Meat
chickens?
Yeah.
Mama, they're gonna eat on my hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know, I'm sorry. I have to turn it off for a second.
Oh,
Oh.
I had to switch them up a little bit.
Oh. It's actually eating.
Okay.
One chicken. Happy
Alright.
chicken.
You're
So
eating.
you do have things more set up than we thought you did. 'Cause-
Yeah. The
okay.
You're fighting over food in my hand.
Okay.
No, mine,
We need to
mine,
hurry if we're
mine,
going to be able to get you
mine,
guys to
mine.
the movie on time.
Evan, gotta get out of there.
You got to get out.
Okay.
Get
Mom, can you pick him up so he doesn't
Bye,
step on
Mama.
the chicken?